Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate card using the, the April Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is April 2025. So, I'm going to show you some of the items we're going to be using to make our alternates. I have the, what are these called? The low profile dots. It's an online exclusive. We're going to be using the paper pumpkin die set, the Hugs of Bloom dies that coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. We're going to be using these dies. Let me show you those. These are the dies. Okay. And then we're also going to be using this new online exclusive mini corrugated 3D embossing folder. Now, all the projects that I'm going to make are not going to have these items on there, but most of them will, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Mountain Majesties paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Misty Moonlight is the stamping spot. Again, we have our Hugs of Bloom dies add-on for $12. And it coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to find out, sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. Again, this is a new program. It's been going on for a couple of weeks now, but I just want to remind you, you earn 10% on all orders that are $20 or more. Shipping is and tax is not included in your amount, okay? So $20 or more in product order, you get 10% in Stampin' Rewards. You can redeem those rewards on any future order. You can track them and save them in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and your rewards will expire 12 months from the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, so today's project, we are going to be using Kendra's Card Sketch 18. Kendra's Card Challenge 18, Card Sketch number 4. So this is what I'm going to be doing for our alternate. So I have some Pool Party here. And this is 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. Burnish that down, and we're going to get our inside pieces here. So we have Gorgeous Grape, and it is 5 by 3 3/4. The inside basic white 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're going to attach a strip on the wrong side. Let's get another paper because I don't want to. I have these all stored in stamp cases, ready to go. This is supposed to be on the short end because that's a short piece of one of the card fronts, one of the card bases, I should say, because I don't know if it's the front or the back. But we're going to put that right alongside here like this. And don't worry, I won't let that other basic white piece go to waste. I'll use it for something else. I'm going to take our scissors, chunk that off. And I don't want to use glue on this. But I forgot to get some more tearing tape. Not tearing tape. What is it called? Stamping seal. I like using the stamping seal for this piece. Okay, and now for our card base. We're going to add this on the inside. Ooh, this is so pretty, these colors together. Okay, so I have a piece of basic white here. It is 5 1/4 by 4. And we have some Gorgeous Grape. I did not even check to see if this is going, if I did it longer. I did do it longer. I'm going to put it about right there. Try to get it straight on here. Okay. I'm going to cut that overhang off. So that gorgeous grape, I'm going to just read you the measurements off of her. It is 5 1/4 by, looks like a 1/2 inch. 3/4. I don't know. I changed some of the measurements. So, but you can go to Kendra's. I'll link to where you can find her measurements, okay? So this is a piece of the card base that I ran through the corrugated folder, the mini corrugated folder, and we're just gonna pop this down onto a piece of gorgeous grape to mat it, just like this. So pretty. Okay, so that is all of our matting done. So let's go ahead and add this piece to our card base. Just like this. So I do change some of the measurements sometimes when I'm using card sketches, because for my purpose, I think the design will look better with, you know, smaller or larger things. And sometimes what I have is not the same as what the person might have had in mind when they made the card sketch. So I'm going to put this on here like so. Just like that. And then I have hugs. This is from the dies, the Hugs of Bloom dies. I die cut the hugs about 7 times and glued them together. You can use just the adhesive foam sheets and die cut it and it'll be popped up. But I just wanted to try this technique of stacking the die on top of each other to make it 3D. So let me see. I think I want to put this about right there, like that. Hugs. Then we're going to stamp a sentiment using Gorgeous Grape. And I have one of the labels from the kit here, and we're going to stamp "You Are Amazing." Just put that right there, like that. We're going to flip that over and get us some Stampin' Dimensionals. These dimensionals are from the kit as well. Some mini dimensionals. And then we're just going to add our label onto our card. Whoop. And I want to put that about right here. Let me see. I want this to be straight. Hopefully it's straight. Okay, so now let's get some bling. We have our low profile dots, and I'm going to use some of the gold ones. And we're going to put these right here because this is where they are on the card sketch. So I don't have to think about where the bling goes. And there you have it. That's our card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple, but it's super cute. Again, that is card sketch from Kendra's Card Challenge number 18. Sketch number 4. All right. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.